Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota LiteAce Noah. It comes with 57,631 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3CT 2.2 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with an automatic transmission. This LiteAce is also 4-wheel drive. It has 2 doors on the front, 1 sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, the number that you're seeing down here is the kilometers, 92,748. The miles again is 57,631. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Let me put my glove on because it's cold outside today. There we go. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thanks again.